Okay, so very, very easy stuff we're going to do right here. All right, we just talked about this. The area of a circle is pi r squared, right? And what we're going to talk about today is how do I find the area of just a slice of it, or just a sector? Now, if I use pi r squared, that would tell me the area of the whole thing, but I want to know just the area of the slice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the area of the whole thing, which is pi r squared, and I'm going to multiply that times m over 360, where m is the measurement of the angle that makes that slice. So this is our formula right here. This is going to be very, very simple. So on this first one, I want to know the area of this blue part right here. So I'm going to do pi times r squared times m over 360, which is going to be pi times 4 squared times 53 over 360. Go ahead and type that in your calculator real quick. All right, so we got pi times 4 squared times 53 over 360. And so that's about 7.4, whatever the units are there, square feet. All right, next one. So we're going to do pi times 6 squared times 148 over 360. What does that give you? Gives you what? 46.495. That's going to round that to 5 meters squared. Oh. Okay. On this one, so we got to think about this. I want the area of the shaded part, but the number that I know is not for the shaded part. It's for the unshaded. So how would I find the area of the shaded part? Good. We've talked about this so much. There's 360 total degrees in a circle. So if I take 360 and subtract off 65, what's that going to leave for the shaded part? It's going to be 295 degrees. Right, so I'm going to do pi times 11 squared times 295 over 360. What does that give you? 311.5. Okay. Drop down, do number 22 at the bottom real quick. Do number 22 real quick. So how are we going to set this one up? 5 times 11.2 squared times, good, 305, because again, the 55 is for the unshaded part. So you'll do 360 minus 55, which is 305. And what does that give you? 338.88. I prefer to be to the hundredths place on this. So there you go. Like I said, pretty simple.